Hi everybody, I have a box to open. Well, it's not a box, it's a bag. This came from Ecko Claire, E-C-K-O Claire. I'm super excited about it because it is an A9 and a print. She made this and she released several, some in the Louis Vuitton prints and then some in this floral. And she said she was going to keep going. So hopefully I'll really like it. I haven't opened it yet. Let's get into it and see what we think. Oh, y'all. How cute. So these are vegan leather, as far as I can tell. You can see all angles of this planner. This is like 4 pieces of vegan leather because she does pockets. Apparently the pockets are 2-ply. Or no, they are at the bottom because there's more than one pocket inside. You all, this is kind of a little bit thinner than a Moterm feels, a little bit. Like the vegan leather is not as thick as the Moterm leather is. It has a snap closure. Everything is in silver. Here's the inside. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets inside, and that is different. It's a different layout than the Moterm. So the Moterm has 1 in the back, 1 here, and then the card slot and the large pocket in the back. This one does not have a large pocket in the back, but it has the extra little pocket on this side, so you can stuff those. Oh, how cute is it? So it looks like it's approximately the size of the Moterm, which is cool because I was worried a little bit that it would be the smaller size and it wouldn't fit my inserts, but it's not. So she is doing, oh man, so these are like larger, like the larger size, which is perfect. So, oh my gosh, the rings are nice and tight, silver, replaceable if you need to. That's awesome. Man, look at how lovely. And it's just like a really bright, cool floral for summer. I mean, how fun is this? I'm so excited. It's just so cute. And there's really nothing like this that I've seen on the market in this size where it's got the wider edge. I mean, if you get the smaller width planners, the A9 paper barely fits in there. So the little papers barely fit inside the smaller planners. But if you get the bigger, like the Moterm obviously will hold a larger size page. Let's see if I can open a width. So like these pages will definitely fit in here. I am so excited about this. Wow. So it is, because it's vegan leather, it is a little bit thinner overall feeling. Like it's not as, it's a little bit bendier than the real leather. But I think it'll hold up just fine. I don't have any concerns about this because it's layered with so many pockets. It's just going to be, you know, it's 4 pieces of that stuff in some places and 3 in others. I think it's going to be perfectly, I think it'll hold up perfectly to wear and tear. Man, how pretty. I hope that you keep doing these. I really, really do, because they're absolutely lovely. Man. All right, so as of the time that I am making this video, there are still a few of these available in her shop. I think she may do a few more, especially if these sell out. I will link below to where I got this. And if you hang out for a while, I will do a setup video with some summertime themes for this adorable planner. All right, thanks for stopping in. I hope I answered all your questions, but if you have any more, let me know, and I will answer them in the comments below. All right, see y'all later.